Hi, in this video we will learn how to make escape and back button functionalities. For example, we have a menu in here. We want to close it when we press escape or the back button on Android devices or so on. So it works only on pressing escape on standalone devices like Windows and Mac, and in the back button for mobile devices like Android. So what we have to do in here, we have to take the menu which has the manager. Okay, we remove this, and all we have to do first, open the main editor and catch up the menu we have that has animation manager on it, and all we have to do is press add back button functionality. Now it adds a component called Airy UI back button. That's all we have to do. Now if we press play and we press the escape button, it will hide the menu. If we show the menu again and press escape, it hides the menu. There is another feature in this that we can do with graphic. With graphic we can add in here like X image in here, or close button or back button or so. In here we can choose image for image like closing, and text for like button text like back or so. We can choose the scale from 0.1 up to 5. Let's make the scale of this one, and let's choose image. There is an offset in here. We can increase the offset in X and offset in Y. Graphic sprite, let's choose some sprite to make it the graphic. Now we don't have any close buttons, so let's choose any one in here like this, and we can control also the image color. The position of this, it can be top right to be in here, or top left, or bottom right or bottom left. Let's choose top right. Let's play and see. Now this is our close button. If we press it, it closes the menu. Okay, let's choose text and see how it's gonna be. Choose a font in here and let's play. Now here is a back button which is back, but the font is too small, so let's scale it up and choose a good font for this. Let's play. Now it looks like this. If we press it, now it hides the menu. So that's all for this video. Thank you.